because it wakes you up basically. So that's what I do. And also I will just come in my room and read my devotional book and journal and read my prayer, pray in the morning, stuff like that. So that's what I do in the morning. So I got done drinking my lemon water and read my devotion and all that. So now it's coffee time. Alright guys, so I just got done doing my workout. It was amazing. So right now I'm gonna make me a toast with peanut butter, and I'm gonna have a cutie on the side with some water. I don't really eat breakfast that much, but that's what I'm gonna have. And it's like currently 10:46 right now, so doing good. Currently 2:55 and I'm gonna eat lunch now. So I'm having spaghetti with hot dog that have bell peppers, onions, and tomatoes. So that's what I'm gonna be having for lunch, and a glass of water. So basically on my lunchtime, I either watch YouTube or watch Netflix. So I'm currently catching up on other people's vlogs on YouTube. So that's what I do when I'm eating my lunch. So my snack consists of some cuties. That's what my snack's gonna be. It's cuties. My mom's doing grocery shopping, so she's getting more stuff. But at the moment, I'm gonna be eating cuties. They're really good, and I didn't know, but these ones, yes. So alright guys, so it's basically 7 and right now I'm gonna make me my dinner. So what I'm gonna be having is some mac and cheese with some seasonal crispy wedges. So you guys, I showed you from breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner of everything I eat in a day. And I did a little mini workout also, so it was a very successful day. So yeah guys, I'm gonna just end the vlog here, and I hope you guys like this video. Comment below if you want me to do more videos, or if you want me to show you guys any type of food that helps me gain weight but still stay in shape, if you get it. So yeah, so make sure you give this video a big old thumbs up. Make sure you comment below, and also make sure you subscribe, because you know I'm at 1,000 right now and I'm on the road to 2,000 now. So make sure you subscribe. And with that being said guys, love you guys, and I hope you have a blessed, safe day. Bye.